What is the average cost of tree removal in Lakeview, Michigan? In Lakeview, most standard tree removals fall around about $200 to $750 per tree for typical jobs, depending on size and how easy it is to access the tree. Smaller trees are at the lower end of that range, while larger ones, or jobs that include cleanup and stump work, can cost more. Larger or more complex removals may exceed this range, especially if the tree is tall, near structures, or requires special equipment. Costs can vary quite a bit with tree height, condition, and how much debris removal you need. So collecting multiple local quotes helps you get a fair estimate. If you need help with a trim or other tree care around town, get in touch at Highline Tree Service. Address: 11923 North Vining Road, Lakeview, Michigan 48850. Phone number 989-339-7070. Website: highlinecraneandtreeservices.com. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for watching.